Hey, Rocky here. And today, eclipses. One of the most spectacular events in the entire sky. And this month, we get to see them. And hey, if you love science, smash that like button right now. First, what is an eclipse? An eclipse happens when three space objects line up in a perfect row: the sun, the earth, and the moon. And depending on the order, you get two completely different events. Let's start with the solar eclipse. This happens when the moon moves directly between the earth and the sun. The moon blocks the sunlight and casts a shadow onto the earth. For a few minutes, day turns into night. The sky goes dark, the stars appear, and the temperature drops, all in the middle of the day. Now here is the incredible part. The sun is 400 times bigger than the moon, but it is also 400 times farther away. So from Earth, they look almost exactly the same size. That is why the moon can perfectly cover the sun. A cosmic coincidence. That makes eclipses possible. Now, the lunar eclipse. This one is different. Here the Earth moves between the sun and the moon. The Earth blocks the sunlight and casts its shadow onto the moon. But the moon does not go dark. It turns red. Why red? Because a little sunlight still bends around the Earth and passes through our atmosphere. The atmosphere filters out every color except red, and that red light lands on the moon. People call it a blood moon. And here is something important. You must never look at a solar eclipse without special glasses. The sun can damage your eyes, even when it is covered. But a lunar eclipse is completely safe to watch. Just look up and enjoy. Now the most mind-blowing part. Eclipses always come in pairs. A solar eclipse, and about 2 weeks later, a lunar eclipse. That is exactly what is happening this month. The sky is putting on a double show. From perfect cosmic alignment to a red blood moon, eclipses remind us that we live on a tiny planet in a vast, moving universe. Science is truly incredible. Subscribe for more science adventures with Rocky and Spank. See you in the next one.